Hi, good morning there, Clayton. How you doing? I hope all is well. My question for you is, um, do you know which insurance company is a great fit when it comes down to insuring your rental properties? I know you did mention about you having your property secured with the insurance, but if you would help me out on telling me which insurance company do you mainly work with to insure all your rental properties? Thank you and have a blessed day.
Thank you so much for that question, Juan. So I can't tell you specifically. It's going to really depend on your needs, depending on what insurance company you use, and based on the type of properties you have. Are they single families? Are they duplexes? Are you bundling it together with other things? We've used different insurance companies over the years, and I can tell you that this is a very important piece of the puzzle because you want something that's going to be easy and accessible online, very, very easy to access online. So for us personally, we use NREIG, and it's a really great program. We go to our resources page at morrisinvest.com. We actually have a lower rate if you use our link. We have actually partnered with them. So if you go to morrisinvest.com and click on our resources page, you can see our insurance there with NREIG. They're really, really good. Very easy to go into their online portal and basically put all of your properties under one umbrella, and make it very easy for you to access. So back in the day, you'd be on the phone with different people. Now you need to be make sure you have great great website access. You can just add or change your coverage at any time, and move properties around. If you're dealing with a lot of rental properties, you're going to want to be able to have that flexibility to go in and make those changes very, very quickly. So yes, NREIG is who we recommend. It's who we use personally. Again, go to morrisinvest.com, click on the resources page, and you'll see more information about NREIG. We'll also have a link in the description below. And that way they know you came from us, and they will give you, I think they give you a discount as well for working with us, working through us. So definitely to check that out. If you have any questions related to financing, real estate, taxes, motivation, financial freedom, it all doesn't matter. You can go to our website at morrisinvest.com. Click on the little microphone icon and leave us a voicemail message. And of course, while you're there, we have tons of great resources on our website. You can book a call with our team for free if you're ready to actually buy a full service rental piece of real estate. That's what our team does. Build brand new construction from the ground up, working with our property management teams, placing a great tenant in the property, and cash flowing as part of your rental portfolio. So that's what we do, but we have tons of great blog resources and all sorts of other things on our website. So MORRIS invest.com is the place to go. And we will see you next time, everyone. Take care.